probably seen Instagram pages with AI influencers blowing up, getting millions of views and even making money. But what if I told you you can create one yourself in just a few minutes, that too for free? So in this video, I will show you exactly how to build your own AI influencer that looks insanely real using simple tools like HeyGen, Gemini and Nano Banana. And you don't need any experience for this. So let's get started. So before we move on, here's a quick quiz question for you. Which tool is used to create AI images? Your options are Nano Banana, Midjourney, DALL-E or all of the above. Let me know your answers in the comment section below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to go beyond just creating AI influencers and truly master AI, you can check out the ENICET Academy IT Convert Professional Certificate in Generative AI and Machine Learning in partnership with Simplilearn. Now this program covers everything from prompt engineering to advanced AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini and DALL-E 2, along with hands-on project and live sessions by IIT Kanpur faculty. This is perfect if you were to turn these skills into real career opportunities. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. You can find the course link below. Now first, let's get started by creating your image first. And for that, you can use Google Nano Banana. Now this is great for actually creating your images. So we'll just click on Try Nano Banana 2 from here. You can pick a style for your image or you can just give a proper prompt for that. Make sure you just click on create an image from here. And I've given this prompt, which is a professional US-based female edtech influencer, approximately 28 to 30 years old. You have to just describe everything from here. High-end studio setup facing the camera with a confident, knowledgeable and approachable expression. She has natural facial features. I have explained everything. And for this prompt, you can actually use ChatGPT for creating this prompt as well. Now, make sure you mention this ultra-realistic, high-detail 4K quality and just click on enter from here. And now it will create your image. And now you can see that Nano Banana has actually created an image for us and this looks so real. Just look at the image from here. And I've also added this Simplilearn t-shirt from here to make the influencer look more professional for our YouTube channel. And yeah, this image quality is actually great. Now, what I'll do is I'll tell to make one more influencer from here. So again, I'll be giving a prompt. So I've given one more prompt here to create a photorealistic studio portrait of a young Indian woman presenter standing in centered facing the camera. And I've also mentioned the frame size from here. She has medium length, straight black hair, everything. The pose should be like front facing, symmetrical, shoulders relaxed. And also how you want the lighting to be, you can also mention that. And the style should feel like high-end YouTube educational thumbnail. And I've mentioned everything, the sharp facial focus. And let's look at the result of the image. So this is the image it has created for us. You can actually edit from here as well, but just look at the image. This looks so real. Now, what you can do is I have also told to give me 2-3 angle images of the same person looking side left. So while creating the video, it will have better clarity. So it has also given me 2-3 side angle poses of the same person. And this is completely same. I mean, the facial features, there's no such difference. You can just see that. And now we're just gonna download it from here. So now the first step is done, which is creating ultra-realistic images, our AI influencer from Google Nano Banana. Next step would be animating this and making a video out of it. And for that, we'll be using HeyGen AI tool. So this is the HeyGen here and just select Get Started from Free. You can just click on Sign in with Google account. And from here, you can just select on Video Agent, which is to generate a video from a prompt. You also have other options like build a video scene by scene, create your own AI avatar. Since we have the image ready with us, we'll just go with the Video Agent and we'll create a video with that AI influencer which we have created. So just select Video Agent from here. And now you can just actually describe your video idea. And I've actually attached my image from here. It says Emily. And you can also give a voiceover, your own voice if you want, your style, however you want it to be. You also have the option to select the portrait landscape mode from here. If you want it to be a landscape mode picture, or for your shots, if you want it to be portrait, you can select it from here. And now we'll just give a prompt and we'll be giving the image from here. And for prompt, we'll be using ChatGPT again. Now, I've given this video prompt for Luma and it says create a high realistic talking head video of a character named Luma, who is an AI edtech mentor, and she'll be like talking to the camera in a very modern studio. Let's just copy paste this prompt from here. And we're just going to paste it. So make sure your prompt is well described so that your output would come really good. And I've also told that it should behave like a real human presenter, natural blinking eyes, subtle head movement. And I've also given the script which she'll be reading. The topic name is Will AI Take Our Jobs or Not? And now let's just click on enter and let's see the output. It will take a few minutes for HeyGen to create a video. And in between, if you want any alterations or modifications, you can just enter a prompt like change this, or you can update the script if you want. If any alterations in the studio background, anything, you can just enter from here. So now it's creating a video plan for us and it will take a few seconds. Okay, you can see from here the video plan, the concept, the style which it is using, and the credits used will be 30 to 40. And this is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for it. The voice also you can just select from here. The voice tone, if you want to change it, you can actually do that. And it has named the avatar as Emily, which is very cool. And yeah, you can select the details. This would be in a landscape mode, English, and the captions are also enabled. The duration of this video would be around 50 seconds. So now as you can see, the video is ready and I'll just play it and show it to you guys.
Let's talk about the question everyone is asking. Will AI take our jobs? The truth is, AI will change jobs faster than it will completely remove them. Yes, some repetitive tasks like data entry and routine reporting are being automated. But here's what people miss. AI is creating demand for those who can guide it well. So the bigger shift is job transformation. AI may not replace you, but someone who knows how to work with AI might. This is the time to build skills like problem solving, creativity, and AI literacy. The future probably won't be human versus AI. It will be humans with AI doing better work than humans without it.
So you can see the result. It looks so real, and it has also added the motion graphic, the video elements, and you don't need a video editing tool for it. So from scratch, it has really created amazing videos. And now for this, I would rate it like 10 out of 10 because the quality and the output is really amazing. Let's create one more video. We'll just go back to Nano Banana, and this time we'll be creating for our Indian AI influencer. So let's just get the prompt ready, and we have already downloaded the image from here. So we'll just go to ChatGPT again. And now I have asked for a similar way to give me a prompt for this for creating video. And it has given me a prompt. And this time I have named her as Priya since she's an Indian. And now this is a video prompt for it. And the topic name is cybersecurities are really important or not. I've also generated the script from ChatGPT. And again, I'll just copy paste it. So again, I've given this prompt to create a video on this, and now it has actually created for me. So let me, without wasting time, let me show you the output for it. And this time I've made it like in portrait mode. Let me just play this.
Are certifications really important for cybersecurity? Yes, they are. If you are starting out, begin with CC or Security Plus. Then move to CISA Plus or CEH, depending on whether you like defense or ethical hacking. And if you are aiming for senior roles, CISSP or CISM become really valuable. So let's talk about the certifications you need to become a cybersecurity expert.
So guys, this was the output created, and I just felt like some alterations needs to be done, like the certification pop-up thing should come in bottom. And you can just give this prompt to AI again, HeyGen, that make the icons coming at lower, the face should be visible, and it will just create it for you. So you can actually download this video from here and you can upload it to your YouTube, and you can, in this way, you can actually create your AI influencer. So this time I had created for our edtech purpose, like an edtech mentor. You can actually create your whatever niche you have, like for cosmetic purpose, for e-commerce, for shopping. You can actually have an AI influencer created. You get the image, go to Nano Banana, create a better version of the image from there, come back to HeyGen, or you can use OpenArt as well. And from there, you can create your own AI influencers. So in this way, you can actually create your AI influencers, that too for free without spending a dime. So guys, with that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask them in the comment section below. Our team of experts will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simplilearn.